Virginia. And I'm not excited to my Virginia. Okay, that's all. And I have so much fun at Virginia because I went to the pool and I got a cup and I got a lizard right there. She looked like Pascal on Tangle. And it splashed on us and people say 10, 9, 8, 7. I mean 6. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and splash off. Then like when the time splash on us, and somebody watching Smosh.
They suffocate themselves.
Yeah. And that's Sophia. And cats say hi. Hi.
Yeah. Why don't you prove it? Write my name in there.
Okay.
Just Smosh. Death Note. And look at my weird nose. I mean my eye. Ooh, crazy. And look. Okay, and bye-bye. See you next time. And click the comments below. Click. And like below. And subscribe button. See you later. Bye. Peace.